Exxon Mobil Corporation is one of the world's largest and most influential energy companies, making it a cornerstone for dividend investors seeking stability and long-term growth. With a legacy that spans over a century, Exxon Mobil has become synonymous with innovation, resilience, and shareholder value. The company's consistent dividend history, strong financial performance, and strategic initiatives position it as a compelling option for income-focused investors. Examining Exxon Mobil's history, competitive advantages, leadership, financials, and future growth strategies provides a deeper understanding of its potential as a dividend investment. Exxon Mobil traces its roots to the late 19th century as a successor to John D. Rockefeller's Standard Oil. The modern corporation was formed in 1999 through the merger of Exxon and Mobil, creating an energy giant with unparalleled global reach. Over the decades, Exxon Mobil has grown into a fully integrated energy company with operations spanning upstream exploration and production, downstream refining and marketing, and chemical manufacturing. This integrated structure has allowed the company to weather economic and market cycles with remarkable resilience, consistently delivering value to its shareholders. A critical element of Exxon Mobil's success is its strategic moat. The company's integrated business model enables it to optimize value chains, reducing costs and mitigating risks associated with market volatility. By controlling every stage of the energy production and distribution process, Exxon Mobil can adapt quickly to fluctuations in oil and gas prices. Its vast global footprint, with operations in over 100 countries, ensures access to diverse markets and resources, further enhancing its competitive edge. Additionally, the company's investments in research and development have positioned it as a leader in energy innovation. Exxon Mobil has consistently pioneered new technologies to improve operational efficiency, reduce emissions, and explore alternative energy solutions. Leadership plays a pivotal role in Exxon Mobil's ability to navigate challenges and pursue growth opportunities. Under the stewardship of CEO Darren Woods, the company has implemented a disciplined approach to capital allocation and operational excellence. Woods, who has led Exxon Mobil since 2017, has emphasized the importance of maintaining a strong balance sheet, investing in high-return projects, and positioning the company for long-term sustainability. His focus on expanding Exxon Mobil's low-carbon energy portfolio demonstrates a forward-thinking strategy that balances profitability with environmental responsibility, ensuring the company remains relevant in a rapidly evolving energy landscape. Exxon Mobil's dividend history is one of its most attractive features for investors. The company has a remarkable record of paying and growing dividends for 42 consecutive years, making it a dividend aristocrat. As of 2024, Exxon Mobil pays an annual dividend of $3.96 per share, yielding approximately 3.51%. This consistency highlights Exxon Mobil's commitment to returning value to shareholders, even during periods of economic uncertainty or industry challenges. The company's relatively low payout ratio, which hovers around 33%, ensures that it retains ample capital to reinvest in growth initiatives while continuing to reward investors with reliable income. The combination of a solid yield and steady dividend growth makes Exxon Mobil an appealing option for income-focused portfolios. Exxon Mobil's financial performance underpins its ability to sustain and grow its dividend. In its most recent fiscal year, the company reported revenues of $400 billion, driven by strong performance across its upstream, downstream, and chemical segments. Net income exceeded $55 billion, showcasing impressive profit margins and a robust capacity for cash flow generation. This financial strength allows Exxon Mobil to fund capital expenditures, pursue strategic acquisitions, and maintain its dividend policy, even amid market turbulence. The company's balance sheet remains one of the strongest in the energy sector, with manageable debt levels and significant cash reserves that provide flexibility for future investments. Looking ahead, Exxon Mobil's growth strategies reflect its ambition to remain a dominant force in the energy industry while adapting to shifting global dynamics. A cornerstone of its future plans is its commitment to upstream expansion. The company aims to increase oil and gas production by nearly 20% by the end of the decade, focusing on high-yield assets in the Permian Basin, offshore Guyana, and liquefied natural gas projects. These investments are designed to maximize profitability while meeting the world's growing energy demand. Guyana, in particular, has emerged as a key growth area, with Exxon Mobil leading a series of successful exploration campaigns that have uncovered significant reserves. In addition to traditional energy production, Exxon Mobil is making substantial investments in low-carbon technologies, positioning itself as a leader in the transition to cleaner energy. The company has pledged to invest up to $30 billion in initiatives such as carbon capture and storage, hydrogen production, and lithium projects. These technologies are critical to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and aligning Exxon Mobil with global sustainability goals. By diversifying its energy portfolio, the company not only addresses regulatory and environmental pressures, but also opens new revenue streams in emerging markets. For example, its carbon capture projects aim to serve industries such as manufacturing and transportation, which are seeking ways to decarbonize operations. Despite its many strengths, Exxon Mobil is not without challenges. The company operates in a highly cyclical industry, making it vulnerable to fluctuations in oil and gas prices. While its integrated business model provides some insulation, prolonged periods of low prices can impact profitability. Additionally, Exxon Mobil faces regulatory risks as governments worldwide implement stricter environmental policies and carbon reduction targets. These regulations could increase operational costs and affect the company's ability to develop certain projects. Geopolitical factors, such as trade tensions and conflicts in resource-rich regions, also pose potential threats to Exxon Mobil's operations and supply chains. Nevertheless, Exxon Mobil's strengths far outweigh its weaknesses. Its integrated operations, strong financial foundation, and strategic investments in both traditional and renewable energy provide a solid foundation for long-term success. The company's ability to adapt to market conditions, coupled with its commitment to shareholder value, ensures its resilience in a competitive and evolving industry. Exxon Mobil holds a prominent position as a member of the S&P 500, one of the most widely recognized and tracked stock market indices in the world. Comprising 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States, the S&P 500 serves as a benchmark for the performance of the U.S. stock market and the overall economy. Exxon Mobil's inclusion in this elite index underscores its stature as a leader in the energy sector and a cornerstone of the global economy. In conclusion, Exxon Mobil's combination of reliable dividend payments, robust financial performance, and forward-thinking growth strategies make it a standout choice for dividend investors. The company's rich history, strategic moat, and disciplined leadership have enabled it to navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities, ensuring consistent returns for shareholders. While risks such as market volatility and regulatory pressures persist, Exxon Mobil's focus on innovation and sustainability positions it for continued success in the years to come. For those seeking a balance of income, growth, and stability, Exxon Mobil remains a compelling option in the energy sector.